What's up, party people? This is Robincito, and today I just want to take y'all on one of my journeys on basically my a little bit of my flow, a little bit of my process that I go through in creating some of my AI art. All right, so what we're gonna start out with is one of the what I use a lot is Leonardo. I really like Leonardo because of the aesthetics that they have. I can see I've been using this enough, creating images with AI, say through Midjourney, through Dolly, and others for a while to see different aesthetics that they have. And I really appreciate Leonardo. Sometimes it's a kind of a realistic, but it has this kind of glow that I've noticed. And it's just my personal preference. So I really use Leonardo a lot. And one of the things that I want to go over right now is creating a video in Leonardo. So usually what I do is I'm going to create the image, and then from that image, I'm going to also create a video in Leonardo. So we're here, and let's get down to business. Let's try this stuff out right here, right? So let's say, for instance, some of the beauties of these spaces is that you're going to be able to get inspiration. So let's just take inspiration from this one right here, right? I think this looks pretty cool. That's a little something I did earlier, but we're not going to get into that yet. So we're going to augment this prompt a little bit. Let's say, so generate high quality image with uh, precise detail, clarity, alternate specific compositions, yada yada. You guys can read it yourselves. What I like to specialize in, or what I like to the visuals that I like to create are really centered around the culture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in a little bit to this prompt. So generate a high quality image of of a black woman with precise details and clarity, yada yada blah blah blah. So that's my little ad for this video. And let's see what we can get. Now for the settings, usually what I do is this one is already at custom, but I usually get a four images generated at one time, and that's gonna cost me about 66 credits to generate. So while that's generating, let's kind of kick it. So one of the great things is to get inspiration. Once you kind of get inspiration from different places and see what you can do, then that's when you can kind of put your own little spice into it, and then come up with something that you really like. So this is what we came up with. Not bad. I really like this one here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with this. You know what? Actually, before I go here, I'm gonna generate four more just to get some more images to kind of develop and play with, right? So it's pretty fast as far as how we're generating, as you can see. Right? We're moving pretty fast here. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful images. All right. So now the new version here. All right, let's get that out of here. Boom. So now I'm just gonna be thinking about the song that's gonna go with this that'll really make this pop. You know what I'm saying? I might hit up Chat GPT. As a matter of fact, let's do it right now. So let me go to chat. Okay, I'm opening up a new one, and I'm gonna say, hey, give me 10 optional songs, hit songs that are emotionally moving. I wanna showcase one of my newest artworks featuring a beautiful black woman, fluffy curly hair, and I'm thinking Stevie Wonder, soul music, very uplifting and enlightening songs. Give me 10. All right. So that kind